Today's segment of Ryan 360, I'm in beautiful Halifax, Nova Scotia. Today is July 26, 2024, and I am taking you around some sites. The one I want to show you today, though, is Halifax has a lot to offer in terms of top 10 places to see. But I'm going to show you guys something a little different, a little off the beaten path. A monument that's actually surprisingly one of the most photographed places in Halifax. This is the Wave, and I'm assuming it's meant to commemorate the relationship that Halifax has with the ocean, being a seafaring or port city. It was built or commissioned in 1988, and the artist was Donna Hiebert. I don't know if it was originally intended to climb. It was meant to be interactive, but it wasn't necessarily meant to climb on. It was surrounded by cement in the past, and there definitely was a fear of people climbing it and getting injured. So eventually the city put a chain link fence around it, and I'll show you an image right here of what that looked like. It's not the friendliest, but people still climbed over the chain link fence, and they decided to continue climbing up and sliding down. So about 10 or 12 years ago, the city finally relented, kind of a David versus Goliath story, and they put a foam pad under here, accepting the fact that kids and adults alike were going to climb it. So as you can see, it's a lot of fun. And it's again, it juxtaposes people's walk. Even if it's just a concrete wave, people still want to interact with some water or take that risk and challenge themselves. There are signs still situated on either side. These big granite blocks that say "do not climb," but they're more relics from the past. So I'm going to take you guys up on the wave, show you what it's like. And I thought that was it was something that was interesting and sort of off the beaten path. Okay, so I'm going to take you around the statue of the Wave, and as you can see, these are the blocks from the past for your protection. Do not climb. And again, there used to be a chain link fence surrounding this thing. So let's go up and let's see if I can climb this thing. And if I can't, I'm going to be pretty embarrassed. So, okay. There we go. Okay, we're climbing the Wave. As you can see, it's a great view from up here. And definitely a little dangerous if you fall off, but this is what art is meant to do. It's meant to provoke and to be interactive and contentious, and this piece certainly does that. There we go. Okay, and now we're gonna go down. And the kids absolutely love this thing. Okay, here we go. Whee. Whoa, that's gonna create some Thanks for joining me again on Ryan 360, the Wave in Halifax, Nova Scotia.